Hey, this is Jeff from Gemini the Truck, and this is Writing on Stone. Well, that was fun. I made it to Writing on Stone, and then I was gonna get campground, but then realized I didn't bring any cash with me, so I had to go all the way back to Milk River, find an ATM, grab some cash, drive all the way back here, which I wasted an hour. So now I can register. So let's go register and then go play in the rock formations. I'll bring you with me. Got something. Here we go. Well, let's lock the vehicle because, well, I had to park all the way because I didn't want an electric site because I didn't want to spend the 33 bucks. I'm cheap, I guess. Go for a walk. This place is pretty nice. I've never actually camped here before, but I am literally the only one here. Deposit money. Done. There you go. That's the Milk River. This is the best view at Writing on Stone. Just turn around. All the rock formations. Maybe we'll go try to find the petroglyphs, but I never have any luck finding them. That's it. I think I'm going to go back to the campsite and then make some food. Or make a fire and then food. I don't know. We'll see. Best view in the park right here, if you can find it. It's a little bit, takes a little bit to get to. Right there, Milk River. I think over that rock range, like that mountain right there. Right there, that's the United States. I don't know where the border starts, but it's pretty close. All right, sounds good. I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just about to make some supper, got a fire going. Just brought some itchy band. I figure it's kind of cold tonight. It's gonna be like a low of -4. It's starting to get dark, so I have the fire going. I've got my lantern going, so we're good. So I just brought some itchy band. I figured since it was kind of chilly out, some ramen soup would be good. I'm not too sure how much I'm going to need of this. That might be way too much, but that's all right. The lid. Yeah, put it on the roll. Oh, and I have a beer. This is called the Wizard's Revenge. I've never personally had this beer. Hopefully it's good. It's a strawberry milkshake IPA. I'm not a big fan of IPAs for the most part, but let's try it out. This beer is not my favorite. It's okay. I have another one that's going to be way better. I know it is because it's my tried and true. I have it all the time. Alright, I will see you once it's done. Hey, welcome back. The water's finally boiled, so I'm just going to empty both of these packages into the hot water here. Ready? There we go. That will be coming with me. Geez, it's a little dark and everything's blinding me with the lights and stuff. Oh, that's way too much water. Oh well. I probably could have did this way different, but I don't normally do it this way, but I'm out camping, so well, I'm gonna eat this up and I'll see you in a bit. Sounds good. Well, welcome back. I got my steaming hot cup of itchy van, burning my face off. And I'm just enjoying the fire. I'm gonna let this burn down for a bit and probably just hang out, excuse me. And I'll see you a little later. Alrighty, made it into the back of my truck. The fire's all pretty much out. I got a couple movies, but I don't know which ones. So I'd tell you about that. I'll see you in the morning. I think I'm just gonna watch a couple movies, go to bed. Have a good night. I'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning. I had a pretty good sleep. It snowed last night. Went to make a coffee this morning and one of my drawers is stuck shut, so I think something shifted and it's preventing it from opening, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But I'm gonna close up the video right now. I'm gonna drive home. It snowed pretty good last night, so I will see you later.